Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a really quick haul. I'm kind of backlogged on hauls, so I'm going to try to get through this very quickly. This is a KAE Scented Melts haul. I did do a more thorough review on her company as a whole. I'll try to link it if I can, if I remember, put like a card across the screen if you want to check it out, to like kind of give my thoughts on throw and scents and whatnot. Just kind of like a quick overview of the vendor. Angie and I almost said Ashley. Angie and I are doing like a video series of new vendors that we've tried. And so we're trying to do, did I order this? Yeah, I guess I did. Okay, I'm not ready. This is a very small haul. I just wanted to place a very small order with her because I have a lot of her stuff and I don't know, I just never know what to order. But she did include these and I am seriously gonna eat these today. She sent M&Ms in the jalapeno flavor and I was like, holy crap, I love peanut M&Ms anyways, but jalapeno, oh my gosh, hello. So I was super glad that she sent something fun. Like, that's not something vendors have to do. That's just a fun little thing to toss in there. So this is a repurchase. If you saw my other review, clothespins is one of my favorite scents. I love this as like a laundry type scent. I don't know the notes. In fact, I don't know the notes for any of these. I'm just going to go through the order because I did not write them down. A lot of her stuff is single scented oils, so it's not too complicated. So clothespins smells like a laundry scent. If you like laundry scents without a lot of floral, which I can't do a lot of floral in my laundry scents, clothespins is a nice one to try. The next one I got is one that I do have in my stash. I ordered it again because I loved it so much. This is vanilla milk. And to me, this is like a vanilla ice cream type of scent. That's exactly what it smells like. I wanted something to mix with things like, because I don't have vanilla ice cream in my stash right now as far as like a single scent. So I thought vanilla milk would be a good substitute to kind of just like chop a slice off and go for it. The next one I got, I don't know why I grabbed this in a 2 ounce because I've never tried it before. That's the great thing about her website, and I said this in my other video, is that her 1 ounce scent shots are a great way to try things. I thought I would like this one, so I just grabbed a 2 ounce, but Greek Island Breeze. So this one is iffy. This one I'm gonna have to get on a warmer and see how it does. I feel like it's like an ocean air type of thing, but it definitely has a note in there. And maybe it's floral. I don't know. There's something in there that's maybe not going to sit right with me, so I don't know. But we'll see. All right, so the 1 ounce scent shots I have. So this was inspired by Susan Fitz. I always call her Susan Fitz. I don't know why. So this is Tristan's Toffee Coffee, and she really liked this one. So actually this order was kind of based off of hers, like her last haul that she did, I believe. I saw some and I was like, I really want to try that. In fact, I need to go back and watch that again because she had a few. And Sasha had one as well that I saw, and I was like, I need to order some of those that she got. So this one is a great coffee. It's just like a sweet coffee scent that I really like. I love like sweet coffee, so that one's right up my alley. Should have got a 2 ounce in that one. I did want to try her Soapy Clean, which this one is another one that feels like it has a floral in it. Not too bad though. Not as bad as one that I'm going to get to here in a minute that I know that like I already do not like. Crap, these little 1 ounce scent shots are tedious. Gingered Bergamot was another Susan recommendation. She loves this one, and I was like, okay, I need to try that. That sounds kind of good. I like bergamot scents. And I do like ginger, surprisingly, in scents. So now this is one I'm going to have to get on the warmer again because on cold, I just can't tell if I'm going to like it or not. It almost has, and this is kind of weird, almost like a fruity, like a slight, like very slight fruity, or I don't know. That one's interesting. That's not at all how I thought that would smell, but I will try it and see what Susan likes about it. Stormy Night, I believe this is a Yankee candle dupe. Stormy Nights, or was it Thunderstorm is what Yankee Candle called it, or was it actually Stormy Night? I don't remember now. Maybe it was Stormy Night. I'm thinking of Scentsy Thunderstorm, I think. So it's been a long time since I've had this one. And there's a floral on that one too. I know I'm going to keep saying it. My nose can pick up when there's a floral in something, and I don't know how I'm going to feel about the one. I thought I liked it originally in the candle, but maybe I don't. Vanilla Swirl is another one. I love vanilla scents. I mean, you can mix them with anything. You can do them on their own. Oh, this one smells good. This one almost has, I don't know if the scent description includes like waffle cone with the vanilla ice cream, but I swear I'm getting like a bakery waffle cone type scent. It smells really good. That one's real nice. Real nice. Jeez. It's really nice. Oh, here comes the dog. Okay, funnel cake. Give me just one more second, bud. I'm coming. This is actually a really nice funnel cake. Now, a lot of my funnel cakes that I've had before are not my favorites. This one smells really good. I don't know what it is about funnel cake. Sometimes it just doesn't smell, like the ones I've had before just don't smell authentic. This one smells pretty authentic. I'm coming, buds. Exotic coconut. This one I wanted to try just because I do like coconut scents. This one is really nice. There's almost like a sweetness to it. I feel like this is a dupe, but I'm not sure. I think maybe Bath & Body. Oh, she puts things, sorry, like heavy breathing back here. She puts things under different parts of her site. Like she'll put this under, like if this is a Bath & Body Works dupe, she'll put it under there. And then also if there's like another section it'll fit in, I think she'll put it under that one too. So you don't miss stuff. Fluffy towels. This is the one I don't like. This one has too much floral in it for me. Yeah, oh damn. I feel a headache coming on just smelling that. So that's gonna be a no for me. But then I like to try everyone's fluffy towels because I feel like sometimes they are different. Like vendors will do them differently. So the next one I grabbed is Snuggle, which is pretty self-explanatory. I've been wanting to try like all the laundry blends so I can kind of familiarize myself. I haven't had Snuggle in so long that I couldn't tell you. I mean, I'm guessing and this is Snuggle. But it's been a long time since I've had any Snuggle. So that's what it smells like, I'm guessing. And then the two samples that I got, I did get everything in my order as well, by the way. I did check and make sure that everything came. So I thought I ordered this, but this is a sample. This is South Beach. And when I smelled it, I was like, why did I order this? And then I realized it was a sample. So this one is fruity, kind of maybe a little bit of that ocean air, salty sea air type of thing. Mostly fruity though. I don't know that I love that. Next time I will try to have scent descriptions when I do a haul like this because I know I'm not being very descriptive here. Apple Caramel Crunch. This is another sample. This one to me smells exactly, gosh, I wish I had the scent. It smells like something from VCS. And it reminds, it's one of her fall scents and I have no idea like what it is right now. But if I can go find it, I will try to come back in a later video and tell you what it was because, I mean, they smell almost identical. When I smelled this, I was like, yep, that's a VCS scent right there. So, Apple Caramel Crunch. This is a good example of vendors who will put like a long scent description and make you think that it's a blend. Not that I'm like dissing anyone or anything, but this is probably a single oil right here. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe on KAE's website it's a blend, but this is probably a single oil and they'll put like this like long description and you think, oh, you know, like it's a super great blend. And actually it's like a single oil. Oh yeah, I need to find out what that is. Okay, so Apple Caramel Crunch. All right, so that is it, you guys. That is my super dinky, tiny, small order, which is fine because I do not need a huge order if you want to be honest about it. So let's just push it in. I really like the 1 ounce scent shots. You can get through those really fast. I like putting them in the bathroom. Her stuff actually throws very strong. If you watch my other video, like I said, I'll try to put a little card or something across so you can check it out. But all of her stuff is thrown very well for me. Very strong. I like her stuff. I will continue to order. She's a thumbs up for me. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And Susan, thank you for your video because you inspired a lot of these purchases for me. I need to go back and watch your video because there were a few more. Also, Sasha just did a video like a couple weeks ago, and I saw some in hers that I was like, yeah, I need to try that too. Actually, she did a very thorough review now that I'm thinking about it. She talks a lot about the scents, the scented oils. I need to go back and watch that because I was getting ready at the time. I was putting on makeup, and you know, usually I'm just kind of half listening. So that's why I said I need to go back and watch it again. But yeah, she went into a few and I was like, you know, I should try that. So anyways, okay, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'm trying to get caught up on hauls. I haven't done a basket or a weekly picks. No, what was I trying to say? I haven't done a warm reviews or a weekly melting basket because honestly, I have not been warming very like, what's the word? On the regular. I've been warming through like my quickie vendor reviews for that video, but that's about it. I haven't been warming anything else. So yeah, so I'm kind of like, I need to get back to it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I hope you guys will leave some comments down below. I like reading your comments. You guys always know that. I love the wax community here, and you guys are a big part of it, obviously, so I love when you guys get feedback and all that good jazz. Good jazz? Okay, whatever. All right, I'm leaving. Bye, guys. Thank you.